Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply quote your tweets on your Twitter app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first thing you will do is you will simply just go to your Twitter app, make sure you're logged in and you have updated your app as well. And then once you have, then you can simply get a quote that you would like to quote. Right now I'll just choose any of the tweets. Then you will see this 2 arrow down option, so we'll tap on that. Here you can see option called retweet and quote tweet, right? So you will simply tap on this quote tweet option, which we needed, and then you will get this particular interface over here. Then you will simply add in a comment, and then once you're done with your comment over there, what you will do is you will simply tap on this retweet option over there. Simply tap on it and your tweet was sent. Simply tap on that, and here you can see by your ID you just go report a tweet from your Twitter. You can see over there it's done posted as well. So yeah, this is how you can simply quote a tweet from your Twitter itself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I really do hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys next time.